Well, today I'm going to complete all my tags. I think all my tags. This is the Dessert It challenge. Paul's Q in Canada, he's the one that tagged me into this video. So I'm going to be making a dessert. However, same problem arise as did in the bean challenge, as a musical bean challenge. Well, desserts aren't actually like sugar and stuff isn't actually really keto. So I'm going to make a keto dessert that I make me and my wife. And it's a white chocolate, almost a mousse made with fruit. And I use everything sugar-free. So if you're diabetic, this recipe is fantastic. It's sweet, it's great, it's delicious. It's going to blow your mind. You're gonna love this thing. It's got, I believe it has 0 carbs, or maybe even up to maximum probably 2 carbs per serving, which is really good, and 0 sugars. So this is going to be a perfect dessert. In the middle of this video, I'm going to play for you guys a video that me and my son, we did together, but I'm not gonna play the whole thing. I'm just gonna kind of play the intro, and I want y'all to go over to this channel, and I want y'all to watch the video that he did. It's really funny. It's telling jokes and everything else, and it was completely his idea. He's the one that thought of it. He's the one that edited the video, and he did a fantastic job. So I want y'all to go over and check him out. In fact, I'll leave an iCard. Was it right here? Yeah, right there. Right there's what I'll leave an iCard for. And I'll also put his link to his channel and to that video also down in the description. I think that's about it. Anyhow, I'm not going to be tagging anybody in this video because I don't know who's been tagged. Once again, in this video, I got tagged probably about a month ago, maybe 3-4 weeks ago. So, and I don't know who's been tagged and who's done this challenge or not. So I'm not going to tag anybody in this one either. So I'm sorry. So anyhow, y'all go check out Paul's Q. His information is going to be down below. That's it. See you guys later. Didn't I tell you that was going to be a fantastic dessert? Simple, fruit, and just deliciousness all the way through. Anyhow, thanks again, Paul's Q, for tagging me in this video. And y'all go check out my son. His channel name is RYTHRIL, RYTHRIL. Go check out his video. He's really proud of it, and I'm really proud of him putting together this video. It was his brainstorm. Y'all go check it out and comment and show him some love. All right. So I'll see y'all next week. Ciao.